Here's what it looks like if you put taller handlebars on a Cannondale Quick bike. So the Cannondale Quick bicycle comes with these flat bars on it that are comfortable for most people, but I like to sit up a little bit higher. So this is what the stock bars look like. And I went ahead and put on some with a 4-inch rise and a little bit more sweep. So there's the original bar on the bottom, and then the 4-inch riser bar that I put on the top. And then I put some weird handles on it too, some things I can grab onto while I'm just cruising, you know, to really sit up straight. I'm not sure I like those yet, so don't focus on that in this video. But if you are thinking about putting some bar ends on it, these that I have on my other bike are great. I can really sit up straight with them kind of tilted back towards me. And you can see with a 4-inch rise, the cables do fit. So I didn't have to put new hydraulic cables on it or shifter cables. So that is a good thing. I think that's the one thing you'll grab out of this video. If you want to put some 4-inch riser bars on your Cannondale Quick bike, you can do it, and you can still use the standard cables. And out on the road, I'm definitely more comfortable sitting just a little bit higher and more control, less back pain, less wrist pain. It takes the weight off on my hands. So I'm happy with this. I think if you wanted to go any bigger, you may have to run new cables and deal with all that. But they left enough slack in the system where the 4-inch rise is manageable. There's a link in the description if you want to get some handlebars for your Cannondale Quick bike to raise them up. And then that's what it feels like. You can see in my shadow, I'm sitting up pretty much straight when I go to these riser bars. So we'll just take a quick look here at the bars as they are now, and then we'll cut back to the original picture of the low handlebars. So you can see how high my hands ride here, and then compare it just to that mostly flat bar that came with it. So I hope that helps you decide what handlebars to use on your Cannondale Quick bike. These work great for my purposes. Thanks for watching.